My Lord Bishop, take your key and drop your
Sure. Thank you.
He's not supposed to be here. You're not supposed to be here. You're not allowed to be here.
He's not allowed to stop.
He's not allowed to stop.
Go to the copper bill.
Yeah. He should not stop over.
He should not stop.
As far as
He
we
should
know,
go to the copper bill.
Your Excellency, you can sit there.
Or maybe the two they should have taken up this.
This is the revelation.
The two they should have sat this side.
So that the right
So that we
people-
better like.
Okay, then I'm told, I'm corrected.
Your Excellency, you sit this side.
Yeah. You're supposed to go. You're supposed to drive one stop.
Even there.
You have a bishop
Even the side.
When you are doing the right thing, you are never afraid of anything.
Yes.
So the bishop can also sit there.
The dramatic chain of events. I thought Malay Pena would have been the to go to the Philippines.
So here we are. Okay. We have Coke, Fanta, juice, coffee, tea. Tea, okay. You are very safe here. Do you take white tea?
I can have white tea or black tea.
No, white tea. Sugar 1 and 5.
Sugar, we can put it on the
Naradi kama P3. Hey, you sit there. Okashise ni mamole twala.
Because if they have a can't give you stop me. Oh, I'm not president. No matter what, because I what one they can preach it. Queen Gila Mugabe, you don't have about the meeting.
So, sorry, I'll do like this. This is for
But the
president.
most important thing is
You want to take coffee? May I have that cupcake?
want to love wish when I
I have a
learn
cupcake.
State House.
Things are not very sweet, so don't be scared. Coffee, strong or mild? Bad coffee. Coffee, strong or mild? But when I'm right, I'm not afraid. What about sugar? 3.
Because nobody is like that.
So maybe we will take us for
When they come and they are sober, talk to them.
I will inform the sisters to bring lunch for us.
Preparation. But at least as the Honorable Jim Kampani or Jenny Chisenga, I'm sure will accompany you. It will be balanced gender.
But so many people make appointment to see the bishop.
Sometimes without appointment.
Yeah, when they come, they come. What do you do? They are your own people.
Those who are going for beverages, I mean like Fanta, Coke.
And then playing Coca-Cola.
Sweet leaf.
Sweet leaf, yeah.
Okay, sweet leaf is.
Sweet leaf is nice, yeah. Especially ginger, no? Ginger is nice. Before you came. So I had a nice cup of coffee. It's like
Bambi.
This one?
Black tea.
it's a sad reality.
Quite a roofy. Leaf tea?
Yes.
Sweet leaf? Next thing, you are black tea.
Advance. Are they shaking or not shaking? And she told him, you are not using yourself.
How much sugar? How much sugar?
Yes, 1 teaspoon.
And are you able to get pictures
Yes, I have.
of the policeman? Did you get him when the motion? He was shaking. You're right. Oh no, that event was right. Oh my goodness. It's embarrassing.
No, it's wrong.
What would you like to take, Camille?
That's why we asked me
No, those who are arguing, I think they're able to see now inside. Those who are thinking to say, no, there's democracy, this, that, I think they're able to see.
Please,
So
what about
when
you?
we leave this Holyland, we get to the road, we go and take them on. So when we take them on, obviously they will proceed to the copper field. Then they will escort us. Yes. How do you do that? The bank has been closed.
So this is the second bank now.
Which bank is it?
FNB.
FNB.
What has happened?
No, there's no business, there's no money in circulation. There's no money trickling
Do you
down.
want it sweet, mild, or just mild? Okay.
Then
My-
Camille is killing
according to me, mild measurement is like
That
this,
is quite sad.
And the second bank closed
like that.
in a very short time.
Because that was a comment that I made just a few days ago. That person was fired. Remember, Your Excellency, you gave him 10 billion stimulus package.
But
He
this
sat
is,
on the money.
but this is
He
more
could
than
disperse
mild.
during the
But if
COVID.
it's not
Yes,
said mild,
Mvunga to come.
It's true.
hello.
So he doesn't understand. Now, just yesterday, the previous day, he increased the monetary policy.
Having saved you, what you
And he said it's affecting
What you
interest
have?
rates and all those.
Anybody who's not drinking anything, please let me know. Before we are taken to Cassandra for let's enjoy ourselves.
Ghana God.
Then I'll start preaching in the
In the cell,
Amen. Amen.
You can check. Check.
First he was even addressing my bishop as sir. Then I whispered to him, bishop. And then when
There are two things here. One will be down, one over. Now I'm going to deny. But neither we want to find it. One in down here.
in case you want something cold, I'm just putting them here for climate change.
Last week, Your Excellency, when for committee in Kitwe, and then there was that news that you are coming to Kitwe. And when they heard, the committee were supposed, on our timetable, were supposed to have engagement at Sokone Market because of alcohol abuse and drug abuse, but we were stopped to say security is not okay. Now, if because the country has got 3 arms of government, which is judiciary, legislature, and executive. Now, if the legislator, us who are overseeing these 2 institutions, if we can't be given security to engage the
community.
Yes, the community.
Then what's the security?
Now, what about other? Which means the country is not okay.
So even here, there's no security. That's what you're saying. In the bishop's office, there's no security.
Gee.
Now, such thing can only happen where there is war.
I think it's a spiritual war more than anything. That's how I see it, you know, the righteous. Yeah, because when the righteous reign, people rejoice. I want to witness that because it's biblical.
If I'm not guilty, I will freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Barifu basendere bishop ubu basebya bebonze. Be assured, the secretary will be there. And then I'll send a message to all the parishes to come to the service, and we shall overpower the service.
Yes.
Finally, they will let us.
Well, the chains will just break.
They are touching a very complicated cell.
I mean, this is not the way we should live as a free nation. It's not. People are free, and people are free to associate. That's all.
The worst part is when you are harassed, you are kind harassed, and they run to church.
Yeah.
They follow me in church.
That's a very safe place, actually.
Imagine they can bust into the bishop's office. That what message are they saying?
It doesn't make any
I
sense.
just saw you phrase that. Follow my sisters. The someone wants to see me. Booking to see the bishop, not to see. So I opened the door, I find the police officer.
Yeah.
You have some people here having a mission.
They're for security.
There are only people who have come to take a disco.
Yeah.
I want to see them. For the poison, then they were with the ones. Then I tell Bruce, Bruce continue connecting the Oh, I think I have something to laugh at the whole day today.
Something that doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't make sense. Which clause of the law are you trying to use here? I asked him, do you understand the public order? If you see a meeting here, this is the Ketasco. You should know, Ketasco and a meeting, a public gathering. You can only stop public gathering, not...
Yeah, if there is no permit, I mean.
That's and that is a permit. That should be an outside gathering. You understand? Not an indoor meeting. An indoor meeting, you don't get a permit. That's how the public order.
President, that one wasn't a meeting. The meeting, it's supposed to have an agenda, the program where you start with a prayer, national anthem, then you lead the previous maybe meeting and the agenda, then you go on, then you close with a prayer. That's a meeting.
Yeah, but anyway, the good thing is God says where there is one, there is two. Nine points. Whether it's a meeting or not, we are grateful. Yeah, those girls who were in school that time, you know, graduates, professionals, I'm not ministers, but I'm glad that at least
my sisters, but president, didn't shut up. When he was Minister of Defense, there was something they were going to give to our mission in the Katonbe Hospital. That time was the provincial spirit, so I had to be there. So he started, I don't know how the talk started, but he said, sister, just touch my pocket. No kusinda muswitch na kumtenda. Sugar chalabalo. Mudira ndakashimalishi.
What you think 60 years?
Yes, yes.
No, Father Kavungweche Shuko, when he was moved from Katon, we came to Lusaka, some other. We're just in touch, like he throughout my show of duties. I know it's a Mukabu. Yeah. They're still here. They want to destroy the school. Catch what up, we walk outside there. What we do is we walk out here, don't deal with them from outside, or probably we drive away, then what come over there. So we leave the school precincts in peace. Because they'll disrupt the classes, you know.
Now they are causing, this is how they say, they're causing
Tension,
the pupils. When we were coming, the windows were closed, the classes were not disturbed. Unless if such an activity has happened where now the windows were open and then one of the child said, President, I think the whole classes could have.
Now
we came peacefully.
we sneak out of this place, right? We sneak out of this place and then start our activities, but do any other activities away from the church, away from the school. So that we take us on. So be it. Because we have great people. And now what I want to do is to go and buy watermelons or something. And we get going. Whether we're going to Copper Belt or going back to Lusaka will be dependent on how the situation develops. We're very grateful for the tea. And we'll come again no matter how many times.
Sure. Most welcome.
And for me, I say I belong to the church, I grew up in the church, I was privileged to be president was in the church, and they said, even when I leave the church, I leave the power, politics of power place, I'll still remain a member of the church. So I feel obliged to pass through here to just say my blessings and also to experience it. Life continues. That God has allowed us to be rise with these lofty places. Or become, yes, Your Excellency. And you go down and become, yes, Your Senseless. But just like it, you know. So me, I'm delighted to have been given a chance to see you. And as I go, I will carry these memories, especially that there was an infringement along the way by the law enforcement people under the rule of law. We talk, we should be saying, do what you say what you do. That's your behavior, you know. Hypocrisy, that's the other thing.
How am I doing English? Just
That's under police.
But where I am is not a school. This is a diocese office.
So, what does it mean, sister? You've been apprehended by the police. That's what it means?
Not.
You are being
I'm
picked up.
being interrogated.
You are being interrogated.
That's why allowed you to come.
You're being threatened with arrest.
Yeah.
For allowing me to come through.
Your Grace, finally, I know that some of your people might be picked because the police officers are right outside. Your office is under siege as we speak right now.
Yeah.
What does it mean?
Well, for me, it doesn't make any sense. And I don't agree with the whole thing. And I don't see the reason why someone can be picked for doing nothing. So,
What are you going to do you as a leader here?
What I'm going to do as a leader is to try and ensure that everything goes well, and that peace prevails. We are people of peace, and that's how it is. Yes.
The Bishop, I think we talked about those interviews. They are not supposed to be here.
Which interview? Oh, yes.
I'm doing something.
You want me at the police station?
No, sir. We don't want you, sir.
Huh?
We don't want you at the police station, sir.
Where do you want me to be?
Where you are going, sir?
Where I'm going.
Yes, sir.
But why are you following me like a suspect?
You are not a suspect, sir.
But see, why are you following me?
I don't know who is following you, sir. Yeah, I just
Your
came to
men
the
have been
office.
following me from the time I got into town. With guns and everything.
Sir, no one is following you.
No one is following me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then go.
We want to see you, sir.
But why?
This is a school, sir. The school here.
You're not the owner of the school, please, for goodness sake. Don't behave like an idiot. What's the problem?
What is it for?
No, he wants to see me off visiting his premise, visiting his school.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay,